everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today is going to be a little different. I'm going to let my 4-year-old daughter do my makeup. So this is going to be an adventure, and I want to thank everybody for coming and watching, because it's going to be very entertaining.
I'm excited.
Okay, so Demi, say hi YouTube.
Hi.
Okay. Tell them what your name is and how old you are.
I'm 4 and I'm Demi.
Okay, and what are you going to be doing today?
I'm going to do my mommy's makeup.
Are you super duper excited?
Yeah.
You are. You guys might hear Olivia in the background, and you might hear that I'm a little stopped up. I just got over being sick. Olivia is wide awake, and I wanted to get this done before bedtime. So, excuse my nose. Okay. So, I just started off with my Dr. Brandt, the eye depuffing gel. Because my bags under my eyes are really bad. Okay, so Demi, I'm going to let you put my primer on. Okay?
Okay. On my finger?
So you're going to put it in your hand. Open your hand. And you're going to do this. And then you're going to rub it on Mommy's face, okay?
Okay.
I'm so nervous right now.
I did, Mommy.
Okay.
Okay, Mommy.
Okay. Good job. Next is going to be foundation, Demi. Where does the foundation go? Where does this go on Mommy?
On your eyes.
Mm.
I don't know.
This goes all over my face.
All over too?
Yeah. All over. Get it in real good, okay?
Okay. I got it, Mommy.
You gotta do it some more, baby.
Okay.
You gotta blend it real good. You gotta...
No, just like this. Hold it real good, okay? Like that. Okay?
Okay, I'm not helping you no more after this. So you gotta make sure you get it really, really good.
I got it, Mommy. Really, really good.
What are you doing?
Excuse me. That's for Mommy. She ate it.
Olivia just ate my deodorant. Yeah, that's yucky, ain't it? Go get some water. Actually, hand me that water right there. Hey, hand me that water right there.
She's sick today, guys. Today. Yep. Today.
Okay.
I did it, Mommy. Oh, you? Excuse me, Mommy.
Look at this. You're silly. Do you know how to do eyebrows? What do you do?
Do that.
Nope. You have to color them in.
Color them in. Okay. I'm doing it. I did it, Mommy.
Keep doing it. You gotta fill them in. You gotta fill them all the way in. Olivia is trying to eat my makeup brushes.
I did it.
Do it some more, Demi.
Okay.
All the way. Color them all the way in. Just like you do a coloring book.
I did it, Mommy. What do you feel like right now?
Worry.
Really?
Okay. What's next?
I don't know.
Eyeshadow.
Eyeshadow.
We're gonna use the Tarte Rainforest. I'm sorry, guys. She used the It Cosmetics Brow Power pencil. We're using the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 2.
Volume.
Okay.
Can I see? Wow. Cool. Right, Mama?
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
And make sure you do both of my eyes.
Okay. I did it, Mommy. Do you look cute?
I can't see no shadow.
Oh.
Do the darker ones.
Is this dark, Mommy?
Are you done?
Uh-huh.
Are you sure?
Uh-huh.
You don't want to add any more?
What am I going to do next, Mommy?
Okay.
What am I going to do next?
Next is going to be concealer.
Concealer.
We're going to be using the NARS concealer.
The North.
This is the shade Caramel.
Say it, count. Thank you, Mommy.
See that?
And then it's invisible.
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 Okay.
Okay. And what am I able to do next?
Okay. So next, this finishing powder is e.l.f.
Elf.
and it was $6 at Walmart. It is almost gone. Okay. This is the Morphe M401. Okay. Okay, come on. Do some more. Get some more. Get some more. Get some more.
Get some more.
This is a lot.
Put it on my face.
It looks like you got a mustache, Mommy.
You do have a mustache, Jimmy.
You do have a mustache.
Mimi. We're going to be using the Butter Collection palette by Physicians Formula. It was like $11 at Walmart. Now this one is dirty because I use the bronzer so much. It just goes over there. Okay. You're going to be using this brush. This is a crown brush. Okay.
Crown brush?
I don't know what kind it is. It doesn't say.
Like this, Mommy? On your cheek? I did it, Mommy.
You need to get some more and put it on my other cheek. Right there.
I did it. You don't see it? You do.
I see it.
You do?
Now you're going to use this brush.
For what?
This is the Moda Pro by Royal and Langnickel. It's a BMX 130 brush. She's going to dip into the blush in Vintage Rouge.
What is it?
It's blush. Get some more and put it in here. On this one.
Is it on this one? Okay. You did that one to my face last weekend right for my birthday.
We're going to use a Fenty Trophy Wife.
Fenty Trophy Life.
Of course. Because Robin is a goddess. She gave us a highlighter for goddesses. She's going to be using the Luxie 522, the tapered highlighter. Now you're going to put that in here, and you're going to put it right there on Mommy.
You see it?
Mm-hmm.
It's
Get some
really-
more. Get some more. Mommy likes a lot of highlighter. Get some more. I like a lot. And some more.
On this one?
Mm-hmm.
You like it?
We're gonna do lipstick.
Lipstick! And then what else?
And then that's it.
What do you want my makeup done?
I'm gonna let you pick which one.
This one. What
She
kind
has picked the Ofra
of Ofra?
in Napa Valley.
And not
Okay, you have to put this on Mommy's lips now.
Okay. Keep going, what you doing? You ain't covered all my lips. You have to make sure that my whole lip is covered. Keep going. I wish I could do my makeup today, Mommy. Maybe I will.
Okay, everybody, this concludes my video for today. This is my look. You can tell that a 4-year-old did it. Okay. I do want to thank you guys for watching. I hope everyone has a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.